Hello guys, welcome to our channel Homeopathic Trials. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified. Today's remedy is Aurum metallicum. Aurum metallicum is a remedy prepared from element gold. We are going to study this remedy with the help of thematic or system understanding approach. Aurum metallicum belongs to the mineral kingdom, row 6 and column 11 of the periodic table. The main theme of the mineral kingdom is of lacking something. The issue with the people requiring a mineral remedy is always with oneself or himself and is never with the opposite person. This can be confirmed in Aurum metallicum with our repertorial rubrics like delusion, neglected duty he has, mind reproaches oneself, and mind introspection. The quality which a specific mineral lacks depends on the row. Since Aurum belongs to row 6 of the periodic table, the main theme of the row 6 is of responsibility or leadership. Aurum falls in column 11 of the periodic table, and thus the main feeling of column 11 is to maintain the responsibility or leadership. And so, Aurum metallicum person sets very high goals or standards for himself and constantly fears that he will lose the responsibility or leadership if he fails to reach those standards or goals, and this forms the central feeling of Aurum metallicum. The situation of Aurum metallicum is like that of a CEO or head of the company who has achieved that position with great efforts and now is under the fear that he has to maintain it by achieving great goals for the company. This central feeling or the desire to achieve high standards and goals makes him very industrious. Aurum personality is an extremely duty conscious person as his whole existence of life depends on fulfilling his own duties. Now, let's understand why does Aurum metallicum person set such high goals for him. As a child, Aurum experiences highly conditional parental love. For example, he is appreciated only when he gets good marks or does excel in his exams, etc. And thus, very early in his childhood, he understands that in order to get loved, he has to always excel or else he will always feel forsaken. Aurum metallicum is a remedy which is known for its great depression. This depression arises when he fails to reach the high standards which he has set for himself. Again, being a mineral remedy, he will never blame the opposite person and will always reproach himself and starts getting a guilt. And hence we find Aurum metallicum in the rubric anxiety conscience of. He starts feeling that he has committed a severe crime by not reaching those goals, and the guilt is so much that he feels that even God will never forgive him and will not get salvation in his life. Depression of Aurum metallicum is extremely bad because unlike the psychotic depression of Natrum muriaticum, Aurum will never let the people around him know about his depression. He will keep a smile on his face and will keep loathing internally. He is always silent and he will continue to function efficiently till the last moment where the life becomes a great burden for him, where he starts getting suicidal in nature. Suicide is often a great option for Aurum metallicum personality. When he gets into the depths of depression, he starts getting suicidal thoughts. He gets impulses to jump off from high places, and in most of the cases he prefers this way for ending his life. He gets more suicidal thoughts and impulses towards the evening. In some cases, Aurum's depression will take a form of religious despair. He will try to seek religious resorts and he becomes quiet and gets obsessive about praying and spends hours each day alone in their room praying to the god. As a person, an Aurum personality is highly poised, sophisticated and moralistic. He has strong principles and is quite orthodox in mind and is also quite reserved. In any romantic relationship, Aurum metallicum person takes a lot of time to open up fully, but once he sees that his partner is quite loving and caring, he opens up fully to his partner and then is extremely loyal to his partner and will value this relationship above everything in his life. Now that we have understood the Aurum personality, let's understand where does it act the best in our body. Two main important spheres of action of Aurum metallicum are heart and cardiovascular system, and second is the reproductive organs, that is both of male and females. Let's understand the action of Aurum metallicum on cardiovascular system or the heart. Aurum metallicum is a wonderful remedy for several heart diseases like hypertension, fatty degeneration of the heart, valvular heart diseases, endocarditis and angina pectoris. patient experiences a characteristic sensation as if the heart has stood still and stopped beating for 2 to 3 seconds and then resumes beating with a hard, sudden thump. There is a violent palpitation, and the characteristic angina of aurum metallicum extends from the heart region to the left arm or left finger. The pulse of the patient is small, feeble, but rapid, with visible beating of carotid and temporal arteries. Heart pain is aggravated at night and in cold air and while lying down. Aurum metallicum is a wonderful remedy for reproductive organs, both male and female. Let's see Aurum metallicum action on male reproductive organs first. Aurum metallicum is a very good remedy for pain and swelling of testicles. It can give great results in hydrocele and also in the cases of atrophy of testicles in boys. It is also suited for cryptorchidism, that is, undescended testes in small children. Aurum metallicum is a wonderful remedy for female reproductive system too. It is a great remedy for prolapse of uterus from overstraining. The uterus is swollen and heavy, which is the reason for prolapse of uterus. It can prove to be very useful for amenorrhea of young girls with great sadness. Menses of the female are late, scanty, and leukorrhea of the female is aggravated by walking. Finally, we will see some confirming symptoms which will help us to confirm this remedy. The first important symptom is extreme melancholy and sadness. The second is aggravation from sunset to sunrise, that is, aggravation at night. Third is great suicidal tendency, and the fourth is oversensitiveness to pain, smell, taste, hearing, etc. Thank you for watching our full video. We hope that this video will clear the understanding of aurum metallicum and will help you to prescribe this remedy. If you liked our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also for any query or feedback, do comment below and get connected with us on Instagram and on Telegram. The links provided in the description box below.